Okay, now we're in my bathroom so I can show you the products without making a mess outside. So first off, I just wanted to tell you, so I use a company called Grove Collaborative, and I think the only way that you can buy anything on there is through a membership. But all the brands on there are cruelty free, of what I understand. They're all like 7th generation here, and they all have the Leaping Bunny, so right there it is on that one. But 7th generation you can buy anywhere, honestly. I did happen to buy this on Grove, and Grove is great. I think sometimes they have really cheap prices. Sometimes they actually have brands of products that you can only get on their website of that brand. So like, I think you can get this pretty much anywhere now, but when it first came out you couldn't get this except for on Grove. So certain ones, like there's certain scents and stuff, you can't really get anywhere else unless they charge a lot of money. So there's that. But I love Grove. There's other reasons why I love Grove, and I'll go through that one day on one of my episodes. So we'll get started here. So 7th generation, I've heard really good things about before. I remember seeing commercials like years ago, and it was just up and becoming, but it's a big thing now. So I use this dishwashing soap, and it smells so good. So this one is Summer Orchard. I wonder why it smells so good. So it is just like normal dish soap. So I won't like take it out of the bottle. But I do like the fact that it is clear. It's awesome. And yeah, I already showed you the little Leaping Bunny on the back. That's how I know things too. But I also check against it on Leaping Bunny. So just make sure you see a brand, you're like, I really want to make sure, because honestly, as messed up as that is, anybody could put that on there. But I always look on there and check against Leaping Bunny. Right. And then this one I have is Clementine Zest Lemongrass. It smells really good too. I'm just re-smelling everything just to make sure I tell you the right thing. So yeah, and that's the same, just like normal dish soap. There's your little Leaping Bunny logo. Alright, so with laundry detergent, didn't get the same detergent and softener, so they're like two different smells here, but honestly, they smell fine together. So this one's lavender, and it is your softener, and let me just smell it. Yeah, it smells pretty good. It smells, I think it smells more like flower than maybe the lavender scent, but I'm just gonna pour it in, so it looks does look a little milky. All right, and then we have the fresh citrus scent, and we'll show you the Leaping Bunny. And this one is really good. It does smell very citrusy, and just to show you, this looks like regular detergent, I think. All right, and then I got this, which is a stain spray remover. It is Grove Company itself, and there's your little Leaping Bunny. And I think this works really well. It is an 8 fluid ounce bottle, so I can't remember actually how much I paid for this. So I think I paid like $3 or $4 for this on Grove. Remember, membership and a minimum is usually what they make you do. Between 20 to, I think sometimes I've even paid like 60, but you're getting a lot of great stuff, so you gotta remember that. And this I paid like, okay, so I'm gonna say I probably paid like $12 on, it's a Grove Collaborative as well. I'm gonna say probably about $12, $13. Like I told you, I am on a budget. I know that seems expensive for detergent and softener, but you are using a product that is not testing on animals, so you gotta remember that. And it is a pretty big amount, and it smells really good. And it's probably good for certain people depending on your allergies and stuff. So, and I'm pretty sure they do sell unscented. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they do. So Grove Collaborative, obviously I got it on Grove. And I've only used this a few times, but what I've used, it works freaking great. So I don't want to really spray it on anything, but it just kind of looks more like, I guess what you would think stain remover looks like. Maybe I could pour a little bit in the bottom, in the top here. So yeah, it's just like a liquid. Can't really even see it. So, but yeah, I mean, it works great. It doesn't look like anything that, it's pretty clear of what I remember. So you just want to make sure you really wipe it good. All right, and then we're moving on to some more cleaning supplies. So this one isn't 7th generation or Grove, but I did get this off of Grove. This is Method. Method is a really good company too. They do soaps, all kinds of stuff. And this one I think was about, say like $3-4, which isn't bad. I mean, it's a 28 fluid ounce, and it's apple. I love apple stuff, and let me tell you, oh, this smells so freaking good. It smells like apples. So that's that one, and then there's a brand called Miss Myers, and I think Method has their own website. Don't quote me on that. But I know Miss Myers is, 'cause I actually bought some stuff from them specifically, but I haven't used it yet. So I love apple, of course. Like I said, apple cider. This really does smell like apple cider. It smells really good. It smells a little more, I'm gonna say like spice, but it does smell really good. I do really like this product. I will say the smell doesn't last like a really long time, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. You may not want to smell it like all day long, but it smells good while you're cleaning at least. So this one is clear as well. I don't know if you can see that, but it is clear. Now let's get into, since we're on Miss Myers, we're gonna talk about their soap. I really like their soap. It's not really like too thick that you have to like get it off. So I'll put some on my hand. So it is a little thick, but when you actually use it, it does turn foamy. Let me put some water on it. It does turn foamy. See? And it really, I don't think you really need to like wash it off too much. I know some soaps can, like the residue can stay on there. Oh, it's so annoying. But I think honestly, see, it's really soapy now. It comes right off. Let me see. For sure. I will say, and I will do one with Method soap. I don't really like it because I feel that residue, but I will do one later down the road when I've used more of their products. I have used one so far, but I want to kind of show you, oh, this one did this and this one did this, or, you know, and who knows, it could be a little different. So the same thing with the apple spice, it is clear. So I don't want to, I haven't opened this one yet, so I just didn't want to, but I have used it in another bottle. I just ran out, so I bought a bunch of these because I love the smell. All right. Oh, I didn't smell this one for you. Acorn, it does smell a little bit more like acorns, I guess what you would think acorns smell like. So it's not the best, but it is a limited edition. I think you can still buy it places. Like I said, I did get these off of Grove. This one actually I might have gotten off of Target, but they are roughly like $4, which isn't bad for a 12.5 fluid ounce, and they smell good. So now we're gonna get more into the body care, personal care, whatever you wanna call it. So I use face wash, and I normally use stuff that helps with acne. I don't get like terrible acne, but I still get it. And I know it doesn't show the PETA thing on the front. Some of them do, some of them don't. They must be having a package thing. I don't know. But I do really like this. Some people may not, and I'll show you why. I could get why people wouldn't like it. So the texture of it is very thick. I don't think with any St. Ives they do turn into foam, and some people like that more. I will look into more stuff like that. Right now I've just mostly bought like St. Ives. I went St. Ives crazy. Like I said, I did get them off of Cruelty Free Kitty. I keep wanting to say Cruelty Free Bunny. Cruelty Free Kitty. But that is not... so I do trust it. It's not just PETA certified. I do trust that source. So if you want to go with that, feel free. And these are cheaper. I mean, sometimes they can be like $5, and I think I got this off of Target. This one's a little harder to find, but it is really good. So there's that. And I will be talking, like I said, about more St. Ives products. I do have a lot. I do use a lot. I will show you another one I'm about to show you here. This one is actually broken because it fell kind of from a distance. So I will have to do it from the bottom, but let's see, I'll try to do it upright real fast for you. So it's PETA certified. This one's really good. So it's oatmeal and shea butter. I really like oatmeal and shea butter. It's one of my favorite things. I just think it's so smooth. So this one, honestly, I think it smells more like a cinnamon bun, like you're bathing in cinnamon buns or something. But it smells so good. Or caramel. If you like that kind of smell, this is for you. So I will just show you, of course, when it comes, I'm going to use my little loofah for a few body washes and show it to you on my skin. So So it is a little thick. I know body washes can come in all kinds, but see, it is a little thick. It's very shiny. It's become very fizzy. So let me put it on my skin here. So see, it's just bubbly, nothing weird. Smells so good. I've used Jason before. I got a different one. I think it was something flower. I will try to put in the description what it was. But this one's apple cider vinegar, and they have the little leaping bunny, so that's where I got the source to make sure that this is a leaping bunny. So this one, I did spend a little more on Amazon. I am a Prime member, so I do tend to shop a lot on Amazon, only if they have it. Some products, like I said, Grove sometimes will be cheaper. So this body wash, okay, I'm gonna smell it. Not a big fan of this, but because I think it smells more like vinegar. I don't think it smells like apple vinegar. It smells more like one of those vinegar tablets you would take. It's not bad on my skin. I love it on my skin. I do feel healthy, but I just don't like the smell. The texture's not bad, so we're gonna show you kind of what it looks like. It's a little clear. I did spend like $13 on it because I was like, apple cider vinegar, I gotta get that. The one I did buy was like $8-9, which isn't bad, and these are 30 ounces. So it lasts, the other one lasts me probably like a few months. That's why I haven't tried a lot of other body washes, and then I bought stuff that I thought was like cruelty free because it was PETA or whatever, and now I'm all mad, but I'm moving on to try to get products that aren't. So, and I'm putting it on my skin here. So see, it's just foamy, just like a body wash would be, you would think. So with Jason, I'm trying to get my family, my household, specifically my boyfriend, to be cruelty free. So I have bought some for his birthday. I did buy him some mittens. Kind of wanted to review guy ones, even though I'm probably not going to use them. I do sometimes, it just depends on what it is. But I would like to show you men's products too. My boyfriend does really like this. Let me just kind of show you. It is a little weird to me because it looks more like lotion. It is body wash, I promise. This one I probably spent about $9 on, so it's not bad, especially for a gift. So when you smell it, it is a little strong. I think honestly it does smell more like tea tree oil, which some people may like that. It looks like lotion. I just find that so weird. But let's see what it does, because he told me it turns into foam, so let's see if that's true. So it is kind of foamy. It's more like a lotion-y foam, but it does turn into a little thicker foam, I think, than the other ones. It actually smells better on your skin than in the bottle. So it might be good enough. This is the only guy product I will show you right now because, like I said, I bought stuff thinking it was cruelty free, and it's really, I guess, not, or gray area, so I just don't want to buy those products. Okay, and then I only have a few more products to show you. So this one I found by just doing some looking around. Leaping Bunny, and I am pretty sure I did look at this on their website too to confirm that they are Leaping Bunny certified. And that's terrible I'm saying that, but I just want to make sure. So I actually have the set here. So they're both apple cider because it's apple cider. Now, with the conditioner, I did get these both off of Amazon. The shampoo seems to stay consistent at $5. This one doesn't so much. I don't really know why, but it keeps fluctuating. It goes from like 5 to 7. So just keep an eye on it. When you see that 5, buy it. That's when I buy it. I know that may seem a little expensive for 12-ounce bottles. So 5 each, not 5 together, I wish. Okay. So the shampoo, I don't think smells as strong as the conditioner. It is a little subtle, more subtle. It still smells good. Don't get me wrong. But I just don't think it smells as strong. So let's just kind of... Yeah, there we go. So that's what it looks like as the shampoo. And I have to use conditioner because if I don't, my hair will frizz. So some of you may not even use conditioner. So if you don't, that's awesome because then you don't have to buy another product. Shampoo, conditioner, there's all kinds of brands. So this one's, the conditioner, so it is a little thicker. looks more like lotion. And I have only tried these two with this brand. I have not tried any other scent. So if I do, I will definitely show it. So, you know, conditioner. It smells just like, or looks just like conditioner. This one smells really good. I want to eat it. Please like, share, subscribe if you like this video. I'm going to do more episodes as we go along here. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.